I found this item when I was looking for Model 3 accessories on AliExpress.com. If you're interested in it, I have a link in the description below. Since my area gets a lot of pollen and other debris, since I basically live in a forest, I figured this may be a good way to keep stuff from getting into the charge port area. The first thing we need to do is clean off this area with a cloth. Then I use some isopropyl alcohol to remove any contaminants from the surface. Wait for this area to dry off completely before going to the next step. This cover is made from a soft rubber compound. The top portion has an adhesive that attaches to the car. I always like to test fit any items to make sure that they fit in correctly. I found the easiest way to install this cover is to loosen one end of the red backing plastic off the adhesive. Then place the cover onto the port and make sure that the top is horizontal and fits in the right way. Once this looks good, you can remove the rest of the backing plastic. Press down firmly to make sure the adhesive attaches to the plastic well. Here I'll show an example of using the charge cable with this port. You can see that the top of the cover rests nicely on top of the plug. Once installed, it seems to work pretty well. I do have a problem with my particular car and possibly others. When the charge door closes, it sticks out a bit more than without the cover attached. This concerns me a bit since I don't want to damage the cover or strain the motor. I'm going to take it off to show you the difference between how the charge port door closes with and without this cover attached. You can see here my door sticks out a little bit even without the cover attached. The photo on the left is without the cover and the photo on the right is with the cover. Here I'm going between two different photos to show you the difference. So I'm letting you know that this may cause the door to stick out a bit. That's a major problem with this cover. It should be a bit thinner. Please subscribe if you already haven't done so. It helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.